Ever wondered about the silent architects of our world? Beneath your feet and all around thrives a hidden kingdom, fungi. They're more than just mushrooms. They're a vast, ancient, and utterly surprising domain of life.
Imagine an invisible underground internet. This is mycelium, the true body of most fungi. These delicate, branching threads weave through soil and wood, connecting vast ecosystems. Witness nature's master recyclers at work. Fungi are decomposition powerhouses. They break down dead plants and animals, returning vital nutrients to the earth for new life to flourish. Did you know plants have fungal best friends? Many fungi form vital partnerships called mycorrhiza with plant roots. They help plants absorb water and nutrients in exchange for sugars. It's a beautiful symbiosis. Prepare to be amazed by fungal fashion. Some glow in the dark, painting forests with eerie light. Others take on bizarre, otherworldly shapes, from delicate corals to intricate birds' nests. Truly an art show. How do fungi spread their magic? Through billions of tiny spores. Some dramatically puff them into the wind, while others use ingenious methods to ensure their offspring travel far and wide. Think fungi are just for forests. Think again. First, yeasts, a type of fungi, help us bake fluffy bread. Second, molds like penicillium have given us life-saving antibiotics. They're microscopic marvels. They're the unsung heroes of healthy ecosystems. Fungi are crucial for soil structure and fertility. By cycling nutrients, they lay the foundation for all plant life and, in turn, all animal life. Indispensable. Can fungi help clean up our planet? Amazingly, yes. Some species are being explored for mycoremediation, or using fungi to break down pollutants and toxins in contaminated soils and wire. Nature's problem solvers. So what's the big deal about these hidden helpers? The secret life of fungi is a story of connection, resilience, and quiet power. They shape our world in countless ways, reminding us of the intricate beauty and importance of every living thing. Truly magical.